Just want to do a quick recording. My name is Michael Hart. Simulated Omicron running, getting Helios installed, getting Omicron installed on Helios, and all that stuff. And then, of course, had to get back to my regular day job, and we gotta do a bunch of stuff around the house. So I gotta just let people know that I'm still alive. Just as a follow-up to Oxide. So when I first heard of you guys, it was Solution Architect. I cranked through all that stuff and submitted those materials. And then Solution Architect link went away, so I went through this one, started breaking it down. Luckily, don't have to repeat because I did it with the last roll. But then support engineer came up, and that's what I've been doing for the last decade. So that's my best chance of success. So I took 2 days off to help around the house, and I set up, you probably can't see it, but I'll splice in another video, but I got a Dell PowerEdge T440 there. Here, you'll see it in here. So as support, you will do all these things. After the 2 days off, it was Sunday night, and I'm just like, oh, I need to do a video. I need to follow up with Oxide things. So an open follow-up because you guys are busy. I sat in bed and I got to the Node.js wiki and just started making linkages. So manage and triage inbound customer communications. And I did all of that. Let's see, image manager is a little bit bigger. Before applying, right? Those other networks hiring process. So not supported. So when I'm going through all the different things to run Omicron and really play with this, I saw a thing where it's like, this is not supported. I'm like, if I'm support, that's good to know. So this bare metal thing right here, nested virtualization, is not supported. And then on the same token, so please contact Oxide support. So if you click here, in your documentation, it says to contact them. Please contact them. So if I were to be support, this is the stuff I gotta have dialed in. Oh, right there. Support engineer materials. So taking that application and breaking it down. So this one's like, hey, do all this, but here's all the things broken down. So, if you're talking about thriftiness and then our mission, what's the mission again? All of it's right there, easy to go. RFD breakdown. And then we asked candidates for 9 hours, so that's good to know. And then support Thrive was kind of fun. So, this one's like, you like decade-old computers. Well, that's what Helios and Omicron are running on right now. That's been my main home server for everything for the longest time. Thrive 22, get excited about a wide range of technical topics and dig really deeply into them. And so, going through the document on how to run my own Omicron on Helios. I don't know anything about Solaris, don't know anything about Helios, so it's all new. So I'm just like, oh, I gotta figure this out. Thrive 24 is experience supporting a broad and highly technical product or service. So shadow control and then shadow safe, which should be in there as well. Get to that. Thrive 26, pride yourself in developing a deep understanding of a product you are supporting. So I'm going through Helios, and then there's Helios commands, which are Illumos commands. And then I just have to learn it all from scratch. So I just kind of keep hammering at it. I figured out commands and then the sub commands. Yeah, for that one to get your user in there. And Helios Webmin was awesome. Server's turned off right now because it's kind of loud, and since I've got my current employment job computer, can't have noise. Oh, getting the ISO so much better. You gotta make sure you have a tunnel when I'm doing the browser from the Windows machine. And then running Omicron simulated, which I think, do I have it here? Yeah. So this is the simulated Omicron, so that's running on the AIM server. So I keep hitting my head against, running it straight on the metal, and so I guess there's lots I can learn with this, but I want to do the real deal and upload an image and actually run a VM and do the cool stuff. Thank you for watching. This is mostly for Oxide, but thank you to anyone else as well. Go to thronewolf.com. Talk to you later.